Okay, here we are again today with our new drone, and this is the maiden voyage of our new Typhoon H Plus. And Bobby's going to tell us a little bit about what you got to do to set up the drone to get ready to fly for the first time, and then other times that you fly as well.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is do a pre-flight check. And I have the pre-flight check that we do on every flight here on my cell phone. So the very first thing you want to do is turn on the flight controller. This is the 16 controller. Turn it on. And then the next thing you want to do, what I always like to try to do, is you want to check the battery. Battery, it does appear to be okay. Then you want to inspect the drone for any kind of damage. But this is a brand new drone, but what you'd be looking for is just kind of make sure that the motors turn freely. All the arms, they pop up into place and lock. Don't know if you can hear that or not. You should hear a click. That means they're locking in place. Then you just want to double check with the kind of like just a slight push down, just to make sure they're locked in place. Then you want to check for the hull. Make sure the hull has no cracks in it. Appears to be okay. You want to make sure the battery is put in all the way. Make sure when you push it in, you hear it click. I don't know if you can hear it or not. We'll do it again. There's a click. It says that it's in place. Now that the controller is on, I'm going to turn on the drone. Then the next thing that you want to do is you're going to want to be able to calibrate the drone. Since this is the first flight, you want to calibrate it. And I think if I remember correctly, they say if you travel probably more than 100 miles from your first place that you calibrated it, you want to calibrate it again. So they say that you got to be at least 10 to 12 feet away from a cell phone. So I'm just going to put my cell phone right over here.
And you also want to be away from electrical wires and metal buildings and things like that too.
Okay. Now that the drone is fired up, see where it says compass calibration. Click on it. Then it's going to say start. You pick up the drone, and you see that some lights are blinking. 2 green lights are blinking. You turn the drone until those lights stop blinking. There, calibration is complete. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is take your propellers, which are right over here, and you want to inspect them to make sure there's no nicks or heavy scratches. If they have nicks and scratches, what will happen is the drone will be out of balance. And if you look here, this tells you where to put it. You see it's black and white, and that goes all the way around the whole drone, just like that. So if it's black, it goes on the one that's black. You can hear just a little click. I don't know if you can hear it on the video or not, but it makes a little clicking sound.
And tell me, what's the difference between the black and the white
They
rods.
turn different directions.
Okay. So some will turn clockwise and some will do counterclockwise.
Right.
And that's what keeps the drone in balance.
And if you don't hear the click, then it's not right. It's not proper. All right, so all blades appear to be in good condition. They are brand new, so they should be in pretty good condition. All right, so that looks like the drone should be ready to fly.
There she goes on her
What I
first
like
flight.
to do is kind of just turn it to make sure the toner's working right. Put up the landing gear. And just kind of just fly away.
Alright, so it was a successful flight, and we're excited to start using this thing on our future aerial photo and videography shoots. If you have any questions for us about flying with a drone or anything like that, just be sure and reach out or put something in the comments, and we'll be happy to let you know what we know. So it looks like he's flying around a little bit faster now. Maybe just getting to know the controls a little bit better. Controls. Looks like it handles very well.